Welcome to GoodMedico, the Nigerian complete healthcare management platform built for hospitals, clinics, and other medical practices. In this video, I'll walk you through what the platform does, how to get started, and give you a bird's eye view of everything that's available to you. But first of all, what is GoodMedico? GoodMedico is an all-in-one cloud-based system for running your healthcare facility. Whether you're managing a small clinic or a multi-department hospital, this platform handles your patients, appointments, lab orders, prescriptions, billing, team, inventory, everything from one dashboard. Each hospital or clinic signed up on GoodMedico gets their own isolated space. Doctors, nurses, admin, and staff each see what they need based on the permission given to each one. Public hospital profiles. Patients can discover and book with you online. Works on any device with a browser. Getting your hospital or clinic listed on GoodMedico is simple and straightforward. Here's how to get started. To sign up, go to goodmedico.com, click Join GoodMedico. On Join as a Clinic, click Set up Clinic Portal. The form will show up. Or on your browser, you can simply go to app.goodmedico.com/signup to head to the sign up page. Begin by creating your account. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a secure password. You can also upload a professional profile picture, although this step is optional. Next, move on to your practice information. Add your hospital or clinic name, select your state, and choose your city and local government area. Then, provide your full address so patients can easily locate you. After that, select the specialties your facility offers, whether it's general practice, pediatrics, cardiology, or more. If your specialty isn't listed, you can add a custom one. You'll also set a same-day booking cutoff time, which determines how late patients can book appointments for the same day. Now, fill in your hospital details. Choose your hospital type, add your website if available, and include a contact phone number. Write a short description that highlights your services and what makes your facility unique. You can also include key statistics like staff count, bed capacity, and year established. Continue by adding your operating hours, available facilities and services, and accepted payment options. Finally, you can include your location coordinates to help patients find you more accurately on the map. Once everything is complete, click Continue to Branding to move to the next step. After clicking Continue to Branding, you're now at the stage where you make your hospital or clinic visually stand out. Start by uploading your hospital logo. This is required and helps patients instantly recognize your brand. For best results, use a clear square image. Something simple and professional works perfectly. Next, you can add a cover image. Think of this as your first impression. A clean photo of your facility, reception area, or exterior view helps build trust and gives patients a sense of your environment. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended. After that, upload images to your photo gallery. You can add up to 5 photos showcasing your equipment, treatment rooms, staff, or waiting area. These visuals help patients feel more confident about choosing your facility. Don't worry if you don't have everything ready right now. You can always update these images later from your settings. Once you're done, simply click Continue to Plan Selection to move forward. You're now at the final step, choosing your subscription plan. Start by selecting your preferred billing cycle, whether monthly, every 6 months, or yearly. Then, review the available plans and choose the one that best fits your clinic's needs. Once selected, move down to the payment section and choose your preferred payment method. You'll see a summary of your selected plan and billing details before proceeding. When you're ready, click Pay and Create Account to complete your setup. And that's it. Once that's done, you're taken straight to your hospital or clinic dashboard. In the next video, I'll show you how your hospital or clinic dashboard looks like. Like and subscribe for more GoodMedico hospital and clinic tutorials. See you in the next video.